Hi, my name is Emanuel from State Soccer, and today I'm here with Roger from RW Fitness and Training. Today we're going to do activation warm-up first, and then we go for dribbling skills and tricks for the second part. So now I'm going to show you how you can warm up with some skills so you get used to the ball and feel the ball so you can start doing more extenuous work. So now the first thing you have to do is set up 4 cones with 5 meters apart of each other, and then you start tapping the ball slowly between the cone. That's the first part. Tap. Then you're going to practice rolling the ball first with your right foot. Stop, 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 stop. Then you change speed. You go left, roll, stop. And this will be your warm-up. You can use it for 2 or 3 minutes, and you're going to be working hard for 2 or 3 minutes doing this exercise. So in a real speed, it will be like this, if you can. Tap, tap, tap. Then roll, stop. Tiny touches, left, roll, stop, roll, stop. That's your warm-up. Now after the warm-up, you're going to use the same setup, and you're going to use now your skills to change direction. We're going to go through 3 skills, how to change direction using the cones as a reference as defenders. So the first one will be using outside of the foot and change direction quickly. Always using both feet. So I'll show you, go to one cone to the other cone and come back, then we go further and further and further down. You can use cones, you can use other markers. You can have socks at home, you can have anything, rocks, anything that you can mark 5 meters apart of each other. So we start slow, little touches, dribbling, change direction, okay? Dropping your shoulder, change direction. Then you go to the next one, always with speed, and I'll show you in a minute. Change direction. Better than this, of course. Left foot, change direction. Then change to right foot, change direction, then left foot, Messi style, change direction. Okay, so we're gonna do a full speed so you can see how it's done at full speed. I'm gonna start with my left foot. Fake, change direction. Fake, change direction. Fake, change direction. Fake, change direction. Left foot, and change direction. That's with the outside of the foot, okay? Now we're gonna do using a turn, fake turn with this side of the foot, behind your back, okay? So I'll show you slowly. I go my left foot, I'll step on the ball, I'll roll it and I'll twist this way. Right foot, facing this way, and I roll it, change feet. Step on the ball, fake, bring the ball back, and use your body to fake, and you drag the ball on your feet. Fake, and fake. Again, I'll show you at real speed. Let's go. Fake, change direction. Fake, change direction. Speed. Fake, change direction. Fake, you shoot. Right foot, left foot. Last one. It's common called the Cruyff turn. It's very famous, and you can type it, Johan Cruyff turn. Basically, same thing, but this time, drag the ball. Drag the ball. Okay, let's go. Left foot first. You drag the ball quickly. Drag the ball. Drag the ball. Behind your back again. Drag the ball. Drag the ball. And drag the ball. Let's go. Oops. Keep the ball close control. And that's it for today. The 3 skills we have to practice until next week for the next session. Thank you, Emanuel and Roger that is filming with me.